Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm JD from Turner McDaniel Style. I've been building a Rubo workbench since about April this year, and I'm just about to the final stages of it. I got a little unboxing today. I got a inset tail vise from HNT Gordon, all the way from Australia. I'm pretty pumped up about opening up this package, see what it looks like. I decided to go with the HNT Gordon inset vise from all the research I did online. Versus the Veritas inset vise, which I didn't think would hold up as good as what this solid block of aluminum will. So let's open it up and have a look at it. It's got this regular paper packaging here. I ordered this vise Tuesday of last week. I live in Ohio, so it got here pretty quick. Got some Australian quality tool catalog, some bubble wrap, come with a dog. That's an extra dog I paid $12 extra to get. Wow. Here's the inset vise. Got a brass 1/4-inch dog. Get this up here so you can see it a little bit better. It's got a knurled knob on the back that advances the dog. It's got a positioning pin on the bottom. And I route my top here on my bench. That'll be my referencing pin. It'll have one small place for this little itty bitty screw. This dog goes in just like that. Check that out, would you? HNT Gordon tail vise, all the way from Australia. I think I'm gonna like it. Once I get this routed, I might take a full video showing the install of this. Should be pretty easy with a 1/4-inch spiral upcut bit with my router and route it out and then chisel out the rest, and it should turn out pretty nice. So I'll let you guys know. Thanks.